Hey, ever dreamed of what would happen if the Earth just stopped spinning? Picture yourself snoozing peacefully, then bam, the world freezes. Wild, right? Let's find out what that nightmare roller coaster would look like. Stick with me for the next 6 minutes and you'll see. 1. Supersonic winds that would flatten entire cities. 2. Tsunamis taller than skyscrapers. 3. A day and night cycle that makes Mercury look normal. And that's just the start. Ready? Let's dive in. If Earth stopped on a dime, your car, your sofa, even you would keep moving at that speed. Think of every object being flung like a rock from a slingshot. 1. Inertia. Everything gets launched eastward. There's a catch. Right now, you're hurtling east at about 1,000 miles per hour without even noticing. But would you really fly off into space? That would trigger hurricane force winds. Think 1,000 miles per hour gusts sweeping across continents, tearing trees from their roots and sending debris flying. 2. Supersonic winds and atmosphere mayhem. Your roof might blow off, but the air keeps spinning. And that's only phase 2. Next up, the oceans go wild. 3. Tsunamis taller than skyscrapers without centrifugal force. Water crowds toward the poles. Imagine a giant bathtub empty at your feet only instead of water. It's the entire ocean surging inland in tsunami waves taller than the Empire State Building. If you thought beachfront condos were safe, think again. One side of the planet bakes in constant daylight for months, the other freezes in endless night. Those poor folks stuck on the dark side, only a narrow ring between day and night called the Terminator might stay somewhat livable. 4. Magnetic field meltdown. If that spin stops, could the magnetic field flicker out? We might be exposed to deadly solar radiation. Stop that and tectonic stresses reconfigure triggers for megaquakes and volcanic eruptions you can't begin to imagine. Scientists aren't sure, but it's not great news. Our spinning core generates Earth's magnetic shield. But deep underground, some microbes extremophiles might cling to life. Earth becomes alien, but life finds a way. Hang tight, next will warp time itself. If you love this mind bender, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Which of these disasters blew your mind the most? And what should we tackle next? 5. The new day-night marathon. Say goodbye to 24-hour days. Wonder how your morning coffee would survive that. 6. Climate chaos and extreme time without rotation. Some places roast at 150 degrees Fahrenheit, others plunge below minus 100 degrees Fahrenheit. But wait, there's even more geological drama ahead. 7. Earthquakes, volcanoes, and tectonic twists. Our crust depends on the balance of forces from spinning. So after all that chaos, could anything survive? On the surface, almost nothing. Oceans gone wild, skies ripped apart, an oven on one side and a freezer on the other. There you have it, our planet's wildest what if. Check out the Mythbusters playlist or dive into what if Mars crashed into Earth. Right here. See you in the next adventure.